Okay, video 2.
Yep.
With the lights on now.
With the lights on. Oh, you're Lucario?
Yeah, I'll be Lucario.
Mike, you can be Peach.
Yeah.
No. I'll be.
Don't punish him enough. Alright.
Not with Peach. Fully.
Which should I try? I'm thinking Hailbird or Delfino Plaza.
How about Delfino Plaza?
Delfino Plaza it is.
So it's Pokemon versus Wally.
Yeah.
The robot.
Pretty much. Is it me, or does this matchup happen really often?
What, Rob?
Like a little more than Wolf versus Marth.
This
match, yes. Yes, Lucario versus Rob.
Oh, why didn't you say something? I could've...
No, I didn't. I just realized this now.
Oh. Well, nothing could ever overcome the Marth versus Wolf battle. I mean, that's beyond the epic of all epic battles. I did Battle Lord.
Oh, I thought I still had the old one. The powered up one.
The power within!
Yeah!
Hey, Kevin.
What?
It's the power within.
Good.
Oh, I was gonna do something else, but I guess that works. Oh, okay, that was a good miss idea.
Oh, wow! Fucking hit the damn platform and, you know... Okay, I see how that is now.
What? What do you mean, Kevin? Oh, I did that by fault. Whoa!
Oh, wow, I didn't know that was
How and why? Whoa, whoa, whoa. For some reason my down button's not working very well. I'm trying to go down that platform like that. Now it works. Oh, okay. Hey Kevin, have you ever played Super Mario Sunshine?
Yes, I didn't like it very much.
I thought it was, I mean, it was kind of short, yeah, but it was pretty good.
Alright, Wario time.
Wario? Fine, I'll be Toon Link. Wow, you didn't even give me a chance to hit.
But I know you didn't do it, but well. Well, you did pick your card.
At the battlefield.
Sure, why the hell not?
With 3 stocks and no light up. Yes, I made that up. Yeah, we're beginning 2012 pretty awesome with Brawl battles that you and me are having. I kind of have a feeling that mostly when we're at my place, sometimes we do more Brawl videos than other videos.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know if it's just me or...
It is.
Yeah, I kind of figured. Oh. Hey Kevin,
What?
eat my bomb. We'll eat bombs.
Now I got my...
Whoa. What were you doing there?
I don't know. I tried to do the bike, but it got me the motorcycle special.
Hey Kevin.
What?
It is the season of something else. Just say yes or no.
I don't know.
Just say yes or no.
I knew it.
I don't know.
I knew it. I knew who the Red Lantern was gonna be. Knew it. Knew it. Called it.
Mario's better than Wario. You fool!
Actually, if you
it
want
right.
to get technical, Luigi's better than everybody, so there you go. He just pretends to be a scaredy cat because he's too cool. If he would use his real potential, you won't be screwed. Wait, see if Luigi gained, like he showed the world his true courage. Wow, you'd all be screwed.
Okay, but how many games has he made?
And that's why he hasn't made that many games. I almost called it DC. They're
DC?
jealous. Yeah, I almost called Nintendo DC. Nintendo knows if they make games with Luigi, well, that's it. Mario's gonna be like Mario cool.
Nah, I wouldn't say that.
Oh, I would. Oh, I would. Just because he's that good. Kevin, you kind of... Wait, maybe you can fart. There you go. Nope.
Wait, why are you helping him?
I'm not.
No, I kind of figured it out.
Oh.
You did?
Yeah.
Wario, use fart attack.
Wario.
Yeah, that got you. There's no way you were coming back.
Oh, wow.
There you go.
Yeah, wow.
Wah, wah, wah! Chew it and spit him out.
Chew it?
I always knew that he was a very oral kind of character.
Oh, hilarious.
Yeah. Oh, yes, it's funny because he's good.
Oh, he's the funny one. Yes, I am the funny one.
Whoa! Whoa!
Shit! Oh! God!
Let me tell you something.
Do that.
Let me tell you
fine.
something, bitch ninjas.
What?
Hey, shut up, bitch
Why-ya?
ninjas. Why-ya?
Like Archer Ninja? Please. Oh, and it's the epic battle.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got this. You got it.
Yeah.
I never beat your streak, and maybe this is a new year I can. Well, let's see. I knew I forgot to put some on my resolutions. That was one of them. To beat Wolf's streak finally. After 30-something times, I tried.
It's been more than that.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, not counting off camera.
Oh, that? Oh. It's
How many have we had?
I don't know.
On camera. I can't remember. Well, I'm making the resolution now to do it. So.
Okay, that wasn't supposed to kill me.
Oh, nice. Wow, that was pretty awesome what you did there. One kick? Wow, okay.
Well, little. Are you okay?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, Chris Brown. Yeah.
I want to hit you.
I'm gonna hit you. I'm gonna hit you. Oh, whoa, I almost made a mistake there. Uh-oh. Spaghetti-O-Z. Oh, okay. I thought that it would actually go the other way, but it didn't. Well, at least I countered that. Alright, that was a nice
I wanted to turn the other way, but I grabbed it.
You're not online, right, guys?
No, we're offline.
Why?
Why?
No, I just want to start working on some uploading.
No.
You go a little lower than that.
Excuse me!
Hold on.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Whew! Peace and quiet lives.
Yep. In our own solitude.
In our own dojo.
Are you sick of some lad?
Just karate.
They're making money, How would you spatula? Oh,
okay,
wow.
reach there.
Oh, I almost died too with that. Nope. Oh, that was nice. That
I didn't know I timed that right.
Oh god.
Oh, jeez. That would have been it for me. Okay. 60%.
But that was good.
Alright, well, I guess that's it. Don't
That was a cool battle cry. When? But my resolution,
Why?
it will be made that he will no longer have a streak against this guy.
But
and rock on.
he did die. He died.
Yeah, rock on, yeah, blah, blah.
Yeah. Alright, phone! Alright, see you guys later. Okay, bye. Get ready for more vids coming this week.
Yep, Bernie.
And yep. Alright, see ya.